The world's construction machinery industry is ushering in a new wave of intelligence. In this global change, Rippa Group, with the power of Chinese smart manufacturing, is accelerating towards the world. We sincerely invite global partners to jointly open a new era of construction machinery. With 13 years of technical accumulation, Rippa has always adhered to high quality and ingenuity service, and has grown into a leading brand of mini excavators in China. From technical cooperation with Japan to independent innovation, more than 300 patents have built core competitiveness, passed CE certification, and met EPA emission standards. Rippa quality has won global trust. We continue to make progress, comprehensively upgrade the intelligent production system, and create more efficient and intelligent construction machinery. Adhering to the business philosophy of customer-oriented and innovation as the soul, we have crossed borders and achieved exports to more than 30 countries and regions. At the same time, we have established overseas warehouses overseas, which makes delivery faster and the service more intimate. We insist on the deep integration of products and markets, a strong R&D team, and continuous investment to ensure that each equipment reaches the world's first-class level in efficiency, reliability, and economy, and truly meets market demand. On the manufacturing side, technology empowers and quality comes first. We introduce advanced imported equipment, build automated production lines, and precisely build core components to ensure that every detail can stand the test. The entire product line strictly follows high-standard assembly processes, and each device must pass 6 quality inspection processes. From raw materials to the delivery of the entire machine, we control every level to ensure high quality and stable performance. We have built a 24-hour customer satisfaction system and a 24-hour global service response to quickly meet customer needs. Professional technical support plus precise return visits make the service truly implemented. At present, Rippa leads the new trend of the industry with green intelligence. 12 automated production lines operate efficiently, with a monthly output of more than 5,000 units, covering multiple scenarios such as construction, farms, municipalities, and leasing to meet the diverse needs of global users. We create a data-based dealer system, scientific grading, precise support, Rippa dealer system, speak with data, and grade with strength, so that every effort will be rewarded. There is also a $500,000 global advertising special fund to help partners win the future together. Rippa Group will always focus on sustainable development, continue to promote industrial upgrading, and strive to become a world-leading brand of construction machinery. In the future, we look forward to working with you to create a new era of construction machinery.